have made it back to the crib. Nordstrom, if you've been following the channel for a minute, you know how I feel about Nordstrom. Nordstrom is one of my favorite stores. It's where you can get some of everything from Ralph Lauren, from your low-end brands to your high-end brands. Whatever you name, bro, like Nordstrom has it. Like Purple brand. Basically, a lot of the stores you guys see me shop at, like, I really don't have to go to those stores. I can go to Nordstrom. Or no, I take that back. A lot of the items you guys see me purchase, I really can just go to Nordstrom and get a lot of that stuff. Like I say, Nordstrom just have a lot of brands. If you haven't, y'all, please check Nordstrom out. Download the app, because they do a lot of sales and giveaways as well. So let's get into this item for today. Shout out to McLaren. You guys seen this in the video. This was a dope little racing shirt. So you got the back of it. The front just basically says McLaren Motorsports, black and orange. Now, I always tell you guys, you know, that red, navy, and white is my favorite combination, but the color orange is probably my favorite color overall. And turn this joint back around, you guys see one more time the back. It just says racing. Now this retail was like $180, but I ended up getting this for, it did a sale for maybe like $96. So plus tax, came out on top of it. So y'all check this joint out. Oh, the sleeves as well, it just says, I think it says performance and Reese. I don't know who that is or what that is, or I have to do my research on this. Should have researched it, but it's just like Reese McLaren. I guess it's just one of their sponsors. Like I say, it is a racing shirt. So they had more of this you guys seen in the video. This one right here just stood out to me. So let's get into the sneakers. No, before we get into the sneakers, let me try this on, let you guys see how it feels. Now, as you can see, this is the official try-on. We pull the sleeves down, you definitely can see them a little better now. So turn to the side, got more writing right there. Reese, I guess is a sponsor right here as well. And this is just an overall dope little shirt. I mean, it feels different. Like I've never had like a racing type shirt before. This doesn't feel like a normal long sleeve t-shirt. Definitely doesn't feel like that at all. So y'all know me, I'm definitely gonna roll the sleeves up. Pet peeve of mine. I'll turn around let you guys see. I would look at the back. So I guess all the McLaren items, they run true to size. So this right here is definitely dope. Like that. A few other items I did want to purchase, but they not on sale yet. Where they are on sale, it's just not the price that I would want to pay for them. Their brand is kind of on the expensive side. That's why I tell y'all all the time, man, I will watch an item until it goes on sale. But this item dropped a while ago, but I definitely didn't want to pay $180 just for a long sleeve shirt. So as to the next item, let me show you guys the shoes that I will be pairing up with this shirt. Sneakers, my sneakerheads will definitely know what this box is right here. Now this shoe right here is one of my favorite, probably my favorite Air Jordan 1 of all time. I actually got this shoe the first time it came out. Shout out to my dog Brandon from Chicago. He actually got this sneaker for me. This is the Air Jordan 1 Shadow Backboard. Let me get this, show you guys the sneaker. You know, just black, orange, and cream. And I just can't believe, I really can't believe I got this shoe for sale. Y'all, this shoe at one time was going for like over $1,000 at one point. And that's just sitting in your local malls like on sale. So, but hey, I'll take it. Might even buy another pair because I just can't believe that this shoe dropped like under retail. And for all my sneakerheads and for the people who don't know, well, my sneakerheads know this. For the people who don't know, this sneaker was like over $1,000 at one point, and now nobody wants it. So, but hey, I'll take it. You guys make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know everything you guys liked in the video. If you even grab these sneakers, I know a lot of people probably ended up grabbing them because they probably weren't able to get them with maybe, I don't know, man. This shoe was probably like 10, maybe more than 10 years ago when this shoe dropped. If I'm wrong, y'all correct me. But yeah, if you haven't already, man, make sure you sub to the channel. Like the video so we can get it out to whoever needs to see it. And like I said in all my videos, if you haven't already, stop by my TikTok. Make sure you stop there, sub to that. That is Scotty, not sub, follow that, Scotty_Nino. That's where you'll see me put this whole fit together and make it come alive. What else? What am I leaving out? Oh, my Instagram as well, Scotty_Nino. We're on our way to 10,000 subs. Like I say, I appreciate y'all. Each and every video, y'all check me out. To the next one. Thank you.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna